Ever had a once-in-a-lifetime photo, but it came out blurry? What if you could fix that and get paid for it? Weddings, birthdays, concerts, and graduations happen once. With AI tools like Nano Banana, you can sharpen blurry photos and rescue precious memories, and sell this as a service. People move, cameras shake, lighting is bad. Important photos turn out blurry and unusable. The moment is gone, but the photo is ruined. Couples have blurry wedding photos. Parents miss capturing their child's graduation. Event guests can't save their memories. Professional photographers sometimes deliver blurry shots. All of these people desperately want to recover their precious moments. AI can enhance clarity, reduce blur, sharpen faces, and improve details while keeping photos natural. What once required professional editing skills can now be done in minutes. The results are impressive. Blurry moments become clear, faces become recognizable, and memories are saved. The process is simple. 3 steps. First, clients upload their blurry photo. Second, you prompt the AI to enhance and sharpen it. Third, in minutes, you deliver a clearer version. The entire process takes less than 10 minutes from upload to delivery of an enhanced, high-resolution file. Who pays for this service? Couples want to save their wedding memories. Parents want clear photos of their children's milestones. Event guests want to preserve their experiences. Photographers need backup solutions for imperfect shots. Anyone with a blurry photo of something precious is a potential customer. This is a high-volume market with millions of blurry photos taken every day. You can sell this service on multiple platforms. Launch on Fiverr to reach people searching for photo enhancement services. Sell on Upwork and Etsy services. Join photography groups and wedding forums. Connect with professional photographers who need backup services. Build relationships with event planners and photography studios. The market is actively searching for these services and willing to pay for quick turnarounds. Let's talk money. Charge $5 to $25 per photo, depending on the blur level and enhancement needed. Offer bundles like 5 photos for $40. Same-day delivery can be upsold for an additional $10. With just 5 to 10 photos a day, you can earn $500 to $2,000 per month. High-resolution upscales can be upsold for an additional $5 per image. Manual sharpening often ruins photos with artifacts and unnatural effects. AI understands faces and details for better results. Fast and without technical expertise. You don't need Photoshop skills. You just need to understand the process and deliver consistent, natural-looking results. Here's how to start today. First, collect blurry sample photos from your own library or download examples. Create before and after results showing clear improvements. Second, create your gig on Fiverr or Upwork with clear pricing and sample photos. Third, list your service and show the improvements prominently. Start with a few customers, gather testimonials, and scale through word of mouth and referrals from satisfied clients. This is AI side hustle number 8. High emotional value, quick jobs, easy upsells. Follow for the next AI side hustle opportunity. Turn AI into sustainable income. Let's go.